Hey everyone, my name is Spurge and welcome back in another video on Just a Tech YouTube channel. So finally yesterday Apple released their official iOS 14 update for all the devices include iPhones or iPad that are previously running on iOS 13. This update is very important for Apple. It's improved with so many features and I can say it's far better than previous iOS 13 update, and it improves in terms of performance, battery life and many more. And if you are planning to update to iOS 14, or if you already updated but you want to downgrade, or if you have any issues related to iOS system, iPhone, iPad, iPod, any device, you can solve all the problems by so many tools they are providing. So I will show you right now. I have partnered with Tenorshare, and for all of you I have a great variety of tools they offered for your iOS device. They are celebrating big sales especially for iOS 14 devices and giving huge 70% discount on all their products from 7th of September to 10th of October. So let me just go to my computer screen and show you some of the cool products of the Tenorshare they are offering. So you can check out links in the description. If you are interested, you can check them out from there. Alright, all the products that I will show you are compatible with the latest iOS 14, and it will also be compatible with the upcoming iOS 12 devices. So you can check out the description link for complete information. So the first tool is Tenorshare Reboot. It's a good tool to repair iOS system errors that iTunes cannot do, and it's a complete iOS system recovery tool. And if you get any errors while updating to iOS 14 or any stuck issue, boot loop issue, you can solve all these issues by this tool. It can repair 150 plus iOS related issue that might you face while updating the iOS. You can also downgrade from this tool from iOS beta to iOS 14 without losing data. It's fully compatible with all the iOS devices and iOS version, and if your device home button is not working, you can use this tool to get into recovery mode without any home button. So links in the description, you can check out this tool from there. So the second tool in my list is Tenorshare For You Key. It's a complete unlocking tool for your iOS device. You can remove Apple ID from iPhone, iPad or iPod, or you can unlock the passcode or disable devices also. If you have a MDM lock, you can also unlock that. If you forget your iPhone passcode, Face ID, Touch ID, you can unlock all these without any issue. So it's a complete unlocking tool for your device. If you forget your recovery options, or you buy a second-hand phone and you stuck on the lock screen, so you can use this tool to unlock your device. All these tools I am showing you are compatible with both Windows and Mac OS, so you can check out the description link for more. The next tool is Tenorshare UlData. It's a data recovery software and it is compatible with the iOS 14 also. And if you are updating your device to iOS 14 and you accidentally lost your data, so you can use this tool to recover all that. It can recover more than 35 plus files format from your iOS device. It can recover also social media messages like WhatsApp, Viber, Line, KickChat, so you can recover that also. It has multiple options for recovering. This tool can work in many scenarios. If you have an iTunes backup file, you can restore from that, and if you accidentally deleted the files or restore your device, you can use that also to recover your files. It can work for the lost stolen devices, virus attacks, system failures, broken screen, formatted, updated or restored device. So this tool can work in any scenarios to recover your files from your device. So you can use this tool. So links in the description, check them out. The next tool is Tenorshare iCare Phone. It's a easy and the fast way to backup and restore your data from your iDevice to PC or PC to iDevice. It's compatible with the iOS 14 and other iOS version. So if you're planning to update to the iOS 14, you can use this tool to backup all your data. So after the update, you can restore that very easily. It can transfer all your data including music, photos, WhatsApp chats, videos, messages, and it can backup in the one place, so you can restore them when you need. And it's a one-click create backup and restore tool. It has a feature to transfer the WhatsApp chat messages data between iPhone to Android or Android to iPhone. It's a safe way to do all this without data loss problems, and you can also encrypt your personal data. So it's a good alternate of iTunes, and it has many features more than iTunes, so you can use this tool to back up all your data at a single place, and you can recover that later into any device. So this is for Tenorshare iCare. You can check out this tool from the description link. Now the last but not the least, it's Tenorshare iCare WhatsApp transfer. If you need a specific WhatsApp transfer tool, this is for you. You can easily transfer all your WhatsApp data including messages and media from any platform like Android to iPhone, iPhone to Android. It's a cross-platform transferring tool. You can also transfer WhatsApp business account data to the different devices. So if you brought a new device that are cross-platform, so you can use this tool to transfer all the WhatsApp data or other social media apps data to transfer with the another device very easily. So that's all for today. I have told you about many tools and solution for managing your iOS device completely with the latest iOS 14 support. If you are interested in any product, you can check out the description link. They are celebrating big sales and they are giving 70% discount on all the products, and I'm planning to make a dedicated practical video for all these products. So stay tuned for that and hit the like button, share with your friends and family. So till then, goodbye, take care and peace out.